My name is Farhan and I am a BA Media and Communication student at Manipal Dubai. So the thing really made me interested to join Manipal was the faculty and they introduced me to the course and showed the program around, and especially the facilities they showed, the TV studio, post production and sound studio. So that really hooked me to Manipal. The first major highlight I'll tell is the expedition, Masai Mara expedition I went. That again helped me through Manipal networks to get that opportunity to go to Masai Mara, have a cover the stories over there, document the wildlife over there. Like, I personally love wildlife photography, so that was a big achievement and a breakthrough in my field and my personally development also. Explored more in photography and tried to get into exhibitions. And then first exhibition I got was in Russell Khema Art Gallery. So again there it was a boost in my portfolio as well. The only message I'll give is be very curious about the industry, about the field you are being, and just be part of many productions, as many as you can be. Yeah.